The strongest security systems in the world can be defeated by a single click. And that click? It's almost all. Hackers don't start with code. They start by observing humans. Humans get tired. Humans trust. Humans make mistakes every single day. Every major breach in history shares one secret: humans, not machines, are the weak link. The careless click. The rushed password. The ignored warning. Even the smartest people fall prey. In 2017, one careless employee clicked an email, and millions of private documents were exposed. No system was broken. No code was hacked. The hackers think like chess players. They plan several moves ahead. They predict human reactions. They exploit patterns nobody notices. And the most powerful tool? Observation. Social engineering isn't science fiction. It's real. Hackers don't crack passwords, they crack humans. Curiosity. Urgency. Trust. One small nudge can open an entire system. You don't need to be stupid to get hacked. You just need to be human. And humans are predictable, even when they think they aren't. Security isn't about technology. It's about awareness. Think like a hacker. Stay safe. The weakest link is always human.